Hello, my name is Andrei Ignat. I am a C# MVP, and in this video I'll show you one of my favorite tools. Today I just want to speak you about errors and knowing how the code performed and where is the problem. So first thing first, when we have an error, we put try and catch, and in the catch we do something like exception.stackTrace. Here in the example I have a person that have a date of birth and he drinks some beer and vodka, and if doesn't he doesn't can drink alcohol if it's less than 17 years, less 18 years, sorry, he will throw an argument exception cannot drink alcohol. So what I've done is error occurred in the console.write line and put in the stack trace. Also, if it will be beneficial, you have a logger that have many formatters and appenders, but this wasn't a subject another time. So let's see now how it is. I run the code and we will see the stack trace that he's going to from main to drink, but unfortunately we cannot see the arguments of the drink. So the value of the arguments, how many beers did he wanted to drink. For this we can use post#, and I will use here an implementation from my friend Vlad Visit You. It is a Nugget package and the sources are on GitHub, on the GitHub vnvisitu AOP. So what I want to do now is to install his package. The name of the package is loggeraspect.nlog. I use this nlog because I like very much nlog, but you can use the logger aspect and make your logger. So let's see how it works. I go to package manager console and I install the package. After I install the package, I said to the logging aspect.nlog that it will be the logger will be nlog logger that has a name Andrei Ignat. In the nlog.config here I put a logger that logs to file and to console and logs differently the message in the console and the file. And what I have done more is going to the person and putting logging aspect attribute. I will compile it. It requires post# express, so it is free and you can use it. And now I run the code and you will see here my old else message error occurred, but also a message from the logger that says an exception occurred in drink with beers number equal 10, vodka number equal 2. So these are the arguments of this drink, beers number 10, vodka number 2. With this I conclude my presentation. You could very easily add the package and the logging aspect for this. Even if you do not want to add into the developer's code, you could add later on continuous integration build.